This is question number 7 of exercise 13.5 from the chapter probability. The question is, in an examination 20 questions of true false type are asked. Okay, so it is a question in which it is an examination in which a questions of true false type are given to us. You can mark it true, you can mark it false. Okay, so suppose a student tosses a fair coin to determine his answer to each question. So student is tossing a coin. If the coin falls head, he answers true. So the answer is written as true if the coin shows head. If the coin falls tail, he answers it false. Find the probability that he answers at least 12 questions correctly. Okay, so answer to each question can be written as true or false, but it should be correct. Okay, whatever the answer is given, it should be correct. And in this case, we have to find the probability that at least 12 questions are answered correctly. Okay. Now, first of all, the tossing of a coin repeatedly a Bernoulli's trial, as given in this question, because we have 20 questions, so 20 tosses to be there to be done. Okay, so the number of trials of the experiment are 20. Each answer can be answered as true or false. So each answer can have two outcomes. Either it is answered correctly or either it is answered incorrectly. So answering the question correctly, if it is success, then answering incorrectly would be a failure. So each trial can be divided into two outcomes of success or failure. Okay, and further the trials and outcomes are independent of the previous trial. Each trial is independent. So the tossing of a coin as given in these conditions are Bernoulli's trial. Let X denote the number of answer the student answer correctly. Okay. Then and further, the probability of success in single trial is equal to probability that the given question is marked correctly as true or false would be equal to P, and this would be equal to 1 by 2. Okay. So X will have a binomial distribution in N and P, that is number of trials, and is 20, and P is equal to 1 by 2, and it can be given like this, that the probability of X success is equal to NCX Q to the power of N minus X P to the power of X, where X in this case would have a value 1 to 3 up to 20, and Q would be equal to 1 minus P. So N is equal to 20 and Q is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2. Okay. Now, the probability that at least 12 answers are marked correctly would be probability of X greater than or equal to 12. And this would be equal to probability of getting exactly 12 successes plus probability of getting exactly 13 successes, and so on up to probability of getting at least 20 successes. And it can be noted here that probability of exactly X successes is equal to 20 CX 1 by 2 to the power of 20 minus X into 1 by 2 to the power of X, where 1 by 2 here is written for Q, 1 by 2 here is written for P. And when you are going to solve them, you are going to find that these two values are going to simplify as 1 by 2 to the power of 20 and this 20 CX, and therefore probability of exactly X success is equal to 20 CX into 1 by 2 to the power of 20. Okay, so we can write this expression as 20 C12 into 1 by 2 to the power of 20 plus 20 C13 plus 1 by 2 to the power of 20, and so on up to 20 C20 into 1 by 2 to the power of 20, which can be written like this, that 1 by 2 to the power of 20 into 20 C12 plus 20 C13 up to 20 C20, and this is actually the required answer to this question. So this is how we are going to solve this question. Friends, thanks for watching my video. To watch more of these super videos and for the latest updates, subscribe and like the videos on these channels on YouTube, HSK Shiksha and Math Help by HSK. Thank you.